Just wanted to make myself a cup of tea. Don't you think so? Look how beautiful the moon is. I love it when it rains. It's black and brown and use it as accessory. What do you think? I made this belt. Should I keep it? Should I not? Hi guys, so I just wanted to say hi to you. I've been studying for like 3 hours now, and yeah, just wanted to make myself a cup of tea and go back to studying. And it's raining here. I love it when it rains, but not all the time. But when it's too warm, when the weather is hot and it rains, it feels nice because you can't go out anyways. You can't do anything, you know? Yeah. So guys, you're watching the match, the final. Look how beautiful the moon is. So beautiful. Also very beautiful weather, right?
Diesmal gelingt ihm das Kopfballspiel, was ihm bei der Chance nicht gelungen ist. Setzt sich da stark durch.
Ja, das war wie gesagt das Spiel, was wir erwartet haben.
España, España.
Hinsichtlich des Eingriffs. Ja, letzte argentinische Niederlage gab es mit diesem Schiedsrichter bei der Tja, und
This is the guy who scored the goal.
Torschütze. Gavi, 21, noch so ein.
Campione, campione.
Da feiern die Weltmeister und hier gehen die Weltmeister von 2026 mit Lionel Messi vom Feld. Messi.
I think I'll go and play some chess and then go back to studying again. I'll study for a little more and then sleep. So I want to show you my thrifted top. I think it's cute. What do you think? I like it. I'm just occupied. This is what I usually do when I take a break. Playing chess. Should I keep it? Should I not? I'm not sure. Does it look good on me or not? I like it somehow. Now I'm going to make some cash with these bottles. Hi guys, so I went thrifting and I want to show you what I got. So the bottles I showed you, I got some cash from that, and this is what I got instead. The bag, it's black and brown, and I think it's so cute and simple, and it suits with every outfit. You know? What do you think? Do you think it's nice? I think it's nice. So this is item number 1. Then I got this beautiful hiking backpack. But I like my bag. It has many pockets. Let me show you. So I can use it for uni or, just for when I go out shopping and stuff. Look, this is one. There's same on the other side. 2 big pockets. And one in the middle. Let me show you. It's from Da Vinci collection. I made this belt and I think it's so cute. Look. How can I hold this? I don't know. I need my hands, man. Wait. Let me just put it here somewhere. Better. Wait, I want to show you this belt. It's like this. And then the belt, you put it around your waist. So I made 3 more. And I give them to my sisters and a friend of mine. And I think they look good. Wait. Look like this, and then you use it on.
It's gone. It's gone. It's going
You
to
can use it
zero.
on dresses or skirts or even, I don't know, jeans.
Yeah.
So this is my phone,
me.
and you can just want to show you, right? You can just put it here and use it
Stop
as
one more time.
accessory for your phone. I want to show you my bag again. I think it's cute. I like it. Like it so much. So guys, I think I told you about my exam the other day. And I went to my first exam and I think it wasn't bad. We'll see for the results now. And I have my second exam in like 8 days or 10 days, I'm not sure. Yeah. So I have to study more. My problem is I always think I have time until the day before the exam. Yes. And then I get worried and stressed out and I don't know what to do. And sometimes I postpone the exam. So girls, for real, what do you think about my coaster? I think it's so cute. Don't you think so? So I made this for myself and I made this for my husband. I think it's cute. So cute. از دلی تلکه ورخم اوی آگر جهره جه حسرتا تبوم خدي تنقوتي تاسك آف بحرواني بمن راد قري بيراني ننتهي استري دل من كريا قلقلي تنقوتي تاسك آف